Dolphins, often revered for their playful antics and intelligence, live in a world that's far more complex and dangerous than most of us imagine. While their graceful dances among the waves have made them symbols of peace and curiosity for centuries, beneath the surface lies a much darker reality. Dolphins aren't just the cute, friendly creatures we've come to love. They also exhibit aggression, violence, and behavior that can shock even the most seasoned researchers. That's the evil side of dolphins. The hunting of dolphins has been condemned for centuries, with ancient Greek poet Appian warning that those who seek to harm dolphins could never be in the favor of the gods. Even today, dolphins hold a unique place in our hearts, often symbolizing intelligence, friendship, and a deep connection to humans. In ancient Greece, dolphins were celebrated for their life-saving heroics and their sociable nature, often depicted as the benevolent creatures of the sea. But as we've studied dolphins more closely, we've come to realize they share many of our less flattering traits too. Dolphins, much like humans, exhibit individualism, a drive for dominance, and even violent tendencies. With 36 species spread across the globe, dolphins have highly developed social systems that, while fascinating, can sometimes lead to shocking displays of aggression. One of the most surprising discoveries is their penchant for violence, not just in hunting, but also in interactions with other species, and even members of their own. Dolphins are apex predators, skilled at hunting prey using sophisticated techniques. From creating clouds of mud to trap fish to chasing prey onto the shore, their tactics are as varied as they are effective. Yet not all of their hunting is for survival. In some instances, dolphins have been observed attacking and killing harbor porpoises without any apparent reason, suggesting that some of these attacks may simply be for the thrill of it. Researchers still aren't sure why bottlenose dolphins target porpoises, but they do know it's not for food. There's little overlap in their diets. Theories range from practicing hunting skills to violent territorial displays, or perhaps even just because it's entertaining. And porpoises aren't the only animals caught in this behavior. Dolphins have been seen playing with turtles, pufferfish, and octopuses, sometimes to the point of causing harm. In one particularly odd behavior, dolphins have been observed carefully manipulating pufferfish to release neurotoxins, which seem to have a mild, intoxicating effect. Dolphins then pass the pufferfish around, as if sharing a recreational high. But while dolphins might exhibit these curious behaviors in their downtime, their mating rituals often showcase an even darker side. Male dolphins can be aggressive when it comes to mating, and herding, a practice in which a group of males isolates a female to prevent her from mating with other males, is common. These males will attempt to control the female for extended periods, sometimes lasting weeks, until she submits. This coercive behavior ensures that the most dominant male passes on his genes, a brutal reproductive strategy that's all about control. Yet, female dolphins have evolved their own defenses. Bottlenose dolphin females possess complex, spiral-shaped vaginas with folds that lead to dead ends, allowing them some control over which male's sperm will successfully fertilize them. If an undesired male forces mating, the female can rotate her body to redirect his seed and later mate with a more preferred partner. This intricate anatomical feature gives females a subtle but crucial form of resistance in a male-dominated social hierarchy. Not all dolphin courtship is violent, though. In Australia, humpback dolphins have been observed engaging in more romantic displays, bringing large sea sponges to females as gifts, all while performing elaborate vocalizations and dances. These grand gestures may be intended to demonstrate the male's strength and virility, though it's possible they're also displays of dominance, aimed at coercing the female into mating. Still, even in the most romantic scenarios, violence is never far from the surface. The aggressive behaviors of dolphins often peak during mating season, when testosterone levels are highest. Infanticide, where male dolphins kill the offspring of females they haven't mated with, is another shocking behavior that's been observed. This violent act ensures the female will soon be fertile again, giving the male a chance to pass on his genes. In one documented case from 2009, a male dolphin in Scotland attempted to kill a newborn calf. Though the mother and others intervened, the baby later showed serious spinal injuries, likely a result of the attack. Such violent interactions may also explain the frequent occurrence of spinal deformities in some dolphin populations. Even among their own species, dolphins show a propensity for aggression that can leave lifelong impacts. And it's not just other animals or even their young that face this aggression. There have been multiple reports of dolphins exhibiting sexual behavior toward humans. In one French coastal town, a dolphin named Zafar caused so much disruption by harassing swimmers that local authorities imposed a temporary swimming ban. Zafar, an outcast from dolphin society, seemed to seek out human contact, both playful and sexual, likely driven by loneliness and the absence of his own kind. Touch is an essential part of dolphin social interaction and physical contact, whether it's a gentle brush of the flippers or more intimate acts, is a fundamental way dolphins bond with one another. This need for connection is also present in sexual interactions, even among same-sex dolphins, highlighting just how complex dolphin social structures really are. While it's tempting to view dolphins through a moral lens, as we do with humans, it's important to remember that these behaviors are part of their natural world. Dolphins, like us, are multifaceted creatures capable of both great compassion and startling brutality. Their actions, however disturbing they may seem to us, offer a mirror into our own complexities, forcing us to confront the darker sides of our nature as we marvel at their intelligence and social sophistication. If you are fascinated by these incredible creatures, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more wildlife adventures. Leave a like and share the video so more people can discover the wonders of nature. Comment on which animals or places you'd like to see more of.